Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by gathering what matters: a clean USB of at least 8 GB and the OS image. Plug the USB into your computer and confirm backups so nothing is lost. Next, open Chrome and add the Chromebook Recovery Utility extension. This tool writes images reliably. Once installed, use the Recovery Utility to select a local image instead of a model. This lets you point to the Chromium or Chrome OS image you downloaded. Make sure the USB is formatted correctly before writing. Now you write the image. Open the Recovery Utility, pick Use Local Image, and choose the downloaded OS file. Pay close attention when selecting the target drive. Pick the USB you prepared, not an internal disk. Start the write process and allow the utility to complete both writing and verification. Verification prevents half-finished installs. While it runs, do not unplug the device. Once verification finishes successfully, the USB is bootable. If the tool reports an error, retry with a different USB or to finish, reboot the computer and enter the boot menu or BIOS to boot from USB. You may need to disable Secure Boot or enable Legacy Boot on some PCs. That's why you adjust firmware settings first. Once the system boots the USB, follow Chrome OS setup prompts. Connect to Wi-Fi, accept terms, and sign in with your Google account if required. If the machine fails to boot, try a different USB port. Recreate the drive on another stick, or reflash the image. Those steps resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.